As the year-end approaches, let's get a pulse check on China's economy. The country's GDP grew by 5.2% year-on-year in the first 3 quarters. According to IMF forecasts, China's GDP growth rate is expected to reach 5.4% in 2023. This 5% growth rate is significant for an economy of China's size, which was $18 trillion last year. A 5% growth is equivalent to roughly adding the GDP of the Netherlands or half of Italy's GDP in 2022. And let's break it down further. In terms of investment, the national fixed asset investment increased by 2.9% from January to November. Notably, investment in high-tech industries increased by 10.5%, indicating the emergence of new productive forces. The largest drag came from real estate, which decreased by 9.4%, and private investment decreased by 0.5%. Excluding real estate, private investment actually increased by 9.1% year-on-year. Moving on to consumption, total retail sales of consumer goods saw a year-on-year increase of 7.2% from January to November. In fact, consumption has been steadily rebounding since the third quarter, with November reaching a new high in year-on-year growth rate. Foreign trade faced challenges due to the sluggish global economy. Nevertheless, the UN predicts that global trade volume will shrink by nearly 5% in 2023, and China's share of global trade is expected to remain stable at around 14%. And China's foreign trade also showed upward trend in November. China's export volume increased by 1.7% year-on-year, reversing a 6-month declining trend. What is even more important, China's foreign trade structure has continued to optimize, with exports of electrical mechanical products increased by 2.8% and accounting for 58.6% of total export volume. Automotive exports surged by 79.6%, while mobile phone shipments grew by 3.3%, highlighting China's manufacturing prowess and increasing competitiveness in international trade. As we reflect on 2023, it's evident that China's economy has shown remarkable perseverance and a commitment to progress. The lessons learned and the resilience displayed in the face of adversity will undoubtedly shape China's economic outlook for a brighter future.